ready for it. Get ready for it. Get ready for it. Yeah, this is it. Go! 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 Yeah, this is it. Go! Go! Let's go! This is it.
So si Dustin, she's a very independent woman. Alam niya kung ano yung gusto niya sa buhay. Ang masasabi ko lang is, keep on going anak, kung ano yung dreams. Just make your dreams be your wings para kung ano man yung gusto mong i-achieve sa buhay, maging successful ka in the future.
But it don't matter in the wild. Here we go, making moves. Ready or not tonight. Like a bullet, speeding high. I'll be a ride or die. Let's do it. Oh, you know I'm up for anything.
So, Dustin, ang advice ko lang sa'yo, now you're 18 na, make sure na lagi mong i-honor yung iyong parents kasi importante yon. And syempre, hindi mawawala lagi din yung keep on praying, laging nakakonect din kay God kasi lahat naman ng ginagawa natin sa buhay is for the gloriness of God. So, anything na we wish natin is we look up to God para alam naman natin na He will support us all the way. Ayun yung wish ko sa'yo. Have a blessed birthday and more years and successful in life.
We can do it all the feels that feel so right. Look at me, looking at you, and we know it. Speeding high, I'll be a ride or die.
Be motivated all the time, be positive din, and always connect din dun sa family niya and sa mga friends niya. Kasi importante talaga na you build your interaction or yung network mo sa mga family mo and relatives mo and friends mo, importante yon para ma-achieve mo yung goal mo sa life. So, yun lang yung wish ko for that.
Oh, the world's our playground. We're the kids forever young. Running free, oh come on. And no, we'll stay forever young.
So, happy birthday, Dustin. Grabe, sobrang blessed mo kasi hindi lahat ng teenager nakaka-experience nito. Sobrang pinag-prepare to ng mama mo. Tagal namin pinlano to. Hopefully, maging successful at I'm sure naman magiging successful. So, nandito na tayo ngayon. Enjoy your day lang hanggang mamayang gabi. After nito is yon. Focus na ulit tayo sa pag-aaral.